Good morning, Katy-Fulshear, the next 10-year commercial real estate super region. Katy-Fulshear are no longer suburban spillover markets, and they've become one of the most powerful commercial real estate corridors in the entire state, anchored by explosive population growth, Fortune 500 migration, master plan communities, healthcare expansion, and the westward push of Houston's economic engine. So today, investors, developers, and business owners are positioning Katy-Fulshear as the next 10-year CRE super region, a place where land values, retail absorption, industrial demand, and medical development are all rising at the same time. Reason number one is unmatched population growth, which drives commercial real estate demand. Fulshear alone has experienced 1,000% population growth over the past decade, one of the fastest in the nation, and Katy continues expanding around the Grand Parkway with thousands of new rooftops annually. And more rooftops equals more retail demand, which also means more industrial supply needs, more medical services, and stronger long term absorption. So, why this matters? Commercial real estate follows population, and Katy-Fulshear's growth curve is still early. Number two, the Grand Parkway 99 is Houston's most valuable commercial spine. So the Grand Parkway is quickly becoming Houston's outer loop, funneling traffic, logistics, and new development through Katy-Fulshear. And here are some key hotspots to keep out lookout for. So the FM 1463 growth corridor, West Park Tollway's westward expansion zone, Cinco Ranch and Cross Creek Ranch retail nodes, Brookshire's industrial boom. The 99 corridor has become the new I-10, but with more available land and far higher future appreciation potential. Number three is healthcare expansion is creating a medical CRE pipeline. So West Houston's healthcare footprint is transforming rapidly. And Houston Methodist West expansions are definitely helping. Texas Children's Hospital's expansions are another one. And new Fulshear and medical campuses, as well as medical office building developments in Fulshear, are growing. FM 1093's medical corridor is also emerging. And medical developers are aggressively targeting Katy-Fulshear because these areas offer exactly what hospitals need: population growth, high incomes, and long-term service demand. So let's translate that for investors. Medical office buildings, or MOBs, and owner-user healthcare assets offer some of the most stable long-term rents in commercial real estate, and Katy-Fulshear is becoming a major hub. Number four is industrial and flex demand outperforms the rest of Houston. So industrial absorption remains strong across several areas. So Katy Mills and Franz Road submarkets, Brookshire's distribution and manufacturing corridor, and both Waller and Katy ISD's tech and AI infrastructure growth are helping. And even with record new supply, rental rates continue to rise due to reshoring of manufacturing, logistics hubs expanding westward, and e-commerce needs last mile infrastructure. But there's also tech and semiconductor investment flowing into West Houston. And Flex Industrial is quietly becoming the favorite of 1031 investors due to its lease stability and diversified tenant base. Number five, retail is thriving and it's not dying. Despite national trends, retail in Katy-Fulshear is outperforming. For instance, La Centera continues expanding premium retail and dining options. More grocery-anchored centers are pre-leasing before construction. And mixed-use projects in planning near Fulshear's town center. So retail really thrives where incomes and rooftops rise. And Katy-Fulshear fits both perfectly. I like the way that rhymed. But number six, land values are rising, but still early compared to Houston. So land along FM 1463 or FM 1093 and segments of the Grand Parkway has increased significantly, yet still trades below interloop and energy corridor valuations. So this is the opportunity window before institutional developers fully move in, which is going to push prices higher. So for long-term investors, Katy-Fulshear offers high appreciation potential, strong leasing momentum, and multiple asset classes trending upward. And there's been a decade-long development runway. So this is exactly what defines a CRE super region. So here's the final takeaway for today's topic. Katy and Fulshear are no longer emerging. They're accelerating. And the next 10 years will bring many massive new developments. So I think massive medical expansion still yet to come. Industrial dominance in West Houston. And premium retail and mixed-use growth are expected. And master plan residential is fueling commercial demand by bringing rooftops. One of the strongest long-term commercial real estate appreciation stories in Texas is Katy and Fulshear. So for investors, developers, and business owners, the window is open right now. Let's talk. Visit my website, HoustonRealEstateBrokerage.com, for more insights, and you can schedule a consultation there. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.